Kind of a different kind of video today. This video is in response to Pocket Change Inspector. Did one on some pocket watches. I told him I inherited some. I'd do a video, and he said I should, so here goes. I'm not too familiar with these, but I inherited them. Don't know a whole lot of information on them. Here goes. I got like 12 of them. Oops, if the camera will get focus. Hamilton, not sure if that one's silver. This one, oops, looks like it has a little damage. You see a little rust on the second hand. It's got little markings there. 875 and 84. I'm not sure if this is silver or says something. I think on this side about something about nickel. Nickel, 20 lines, I don't know. Look pretty cool. I got that one. I got this one if the camera will focus. Hamilton Railway Special. I'm sure it's gold filled. As you can see, the case is wearing down. So I got this one. I think it's just gold filled too. I can't remember. A lot of them I've had the backs off. Elgin square case. That's pretty cool. I had more than I thought. I guess he collected more of them than I realized. I haven't seen them in years. Almost if the camera will even focus. Another Hamilton. And let's see, Elgin. Not sure how many are gold and gold fill. I think quite a few of them actually work. Let's see. Maybe that one doesn't. And another like cheapy West Clock Company or whatever. And they're Elgin. I used to like seeing them as I was growing up when that one's missing the second hand. My dad would always show us as kids. He would talk about them. He would like to take the covers off. We could see the insides. You could see the little red jewels. See if the camera will focus. I don't know how many this one. Boston, USA. Well, it's hard to read this. I can't hold it very still. Series 11. Railroad. I heard they had to be more stringent. The railroad's temperature and 5 positions in your pocket accurate. After the railroad crash, let's see if we get one of them working at least. There we go. They have different cases, screw down. And second hand's ticking away there. Pretty cool little history there. This one has screw down. Like I said, I'm not real familiar with pocket watches at all, but they are pretty cool. Oh yeah, he has this one, which is the most ornate case. Guarantee this one's all 14 karat case. Double lid. Very beautiful work on the case on this and all. The camera focus, all 14 karat gold. So that one's pretty awesome. This one has a little story behind it. This one has a little piece to wear. This one, if I can focus again. This one's old Burlington Special. see if this one should work. Or maybe not. Let's see, this one unscrews. Yeah, like I said, I remember as a kid growing up, you would take the covers off so we could see the inside. I thought that was pretty awesome. Being able to see little jewels on the pivot points and intricate working, all the detail of them, I thought was pretty awesome. This one I already forget the name, but let's see if I can get this case screwed back together. Yeah. I think this is the one that said extra, which is just extra gold filled. Not sure if that one works. Oh yeah, there it goes, ticking away. This one, like I said, has a little piece to actually wear it. Not sure what carat these nuggets are, but let me zoom back out a little. These are supposedly my golden nuggets. Unfortunately, they're hollow, so it doesn't weigh a lot, but supposedly great somebody, one of the grandpas, dug the gold himself out of Sutter's Mill in California for this chain. I really like the chain. It's pretty detailed if the camera will focus, but I like the little hand holding it on there. I really like the craftsmanship they did. A little hand holding that part together. A little hook where you would attach it to your vest or whatever. I think it's been repaired a few times. Then it has a little like sailor, looks like maybe with an anchor. This, I'm not sure which watch it went to. This actually, it was a wind key where you would have to wind it with the key, so that's pretty cool. It's on here. So if you would, leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's my pocket watch collection at Pocket Change Inspector. Keep collecting, keep stacking, keep pouring. Catch y'all next one later.